Hey guys, welcome to body paragraphs for analytical essays. Alrighty. So the first thing we've got is the structure of the paragraph. It doesn't have to be in exactly this structure, but it's pretty simple if it does. You first got your topic sentence. You give an example of what's going on, what is happening in the book, to give us a touch of context there. The quote that exemplifies the point that you're trying to make, and then what literary technique is being used in the quote and how that quote actually adds meaning. Does it make you understand something more? Does it highlight something to you? Mainly emphasis. And then link if you can. So let's have a quick look. So your topic sentence introduces your idea. So the topic sentence we've got here is interesting aspects of other societies, such as the way they are governed, can be explored through a text. Okay, so there we're using almost wording from the question. Interesting aspect, that's eye-opening. Other societies is other worlds. And obviously we're going to talk about the government. So the next sentence is sort of to give a little context in your paragraph. Mao's Last Dancer highlights the lies, deceit, and poverty in China under communist rule. So now you know we're talking about how the lies, deceit, and poverty in China came about possibly because of communist rule. Then we have our quote, and we've embedded that quote into a sentence. So you can read that sentence yourself, but you can see how I haven't said this quote. Okay, you don't really want to ever say this quote because we know it's a quote because of those guys. All right, so then the technique, and explain how it adds meaning. All right, so the technique there was the alliteration. We had the dark, decaying, depressing picture of America. All right. So the alliteration allows the respondent to be drawn to Lee's shock at being lied to by his government. All right. And so that's why he used the alliteration. It was to highlight that idea of, oh my goodness, I'm so shocked by this. Let's move my face. Because you're a smarty pants, we're going to go with a second example into the same paragraph, and you're doing exactly the same thing. So he furthers this point, or it further emphasizes this idea, and we've got the quote here, and then we've got the idea that he is desensitized to the terrible conditions. So that's what the point being made is. And then I link it with these conditions were also represented in Lee's dancing. All right, and then I'd have a paragraph about his dancing. So that's basically, let's get rid of me. Can't get rid of me. Oh well. That's basically the whole thing, and you'll see you've got a clear start, a clear exit. It's making a point about communist China and how different it was to America, and our eyes have been open to this. So that's pretty cool. Bye.